Dear fellow Toastmaster, and fabulous Friday, and good morning to all. Today, I'll be talking about understanding body, mind, and soul. In short form, we call it as BMS. We all know about body and mind, but we are not very sure about soul. Research found that body, mind, and soul are interlinked and interconnected, and there is some relationship. Scientists called it as three brains, one connected to gut, that is stomach, and other is connected to head, and the last one is connected to heart. So there are three neural paths. Now let us talk each one of them little more deeper and try to understand. Body. Body is the support system for mind and soul. We all are aware of the body and we spend a lot of time to take care of our body, starting from physical exercise, nutrition, hydration, sleep, etc. Somebody said, treat your body like a temple. Fantastic. It means we need to take care of body with such sincerity. The key is eat less and do more physical exercise. That is, burn your calories intact by doing more physical exercise. So in summary, body is a support system for mind and soul. Mind. Now, let us talk about mind. Mind is an unstoppable train of thoughts. We eat food for our body. Similarly, we need food for our mind to keep our mind healthy. Foods like music, art, reading books, TV, mobile phone, or even friends to keep our mind engaged. This is called mental health. We also need filters for our mind to filter out what is good and what is bad. Somebody said you need to read or know both about good and evil or good and bad, and then determine which one is suitable for you by putting a filter. Environment is a wide band, meaning it is wide spectrum, and you need to put good band pass filter or bad band pass filter. Now question is, how does our mind know what is good band pass filter or what is bad band pass filter? This is where soul come into picture. Another person said, you need to read about Gandhi and Hitler and then decide which one is good for you. Now let us talk about soul. Soul. Soul or spirit is something like nucleus in the atom. Soul also need food. We need to feed the right food for soul through meditation. This is called spiritual health. Spiritual health is more than religion. It involves identifying our purpose and direction. It recognizes what is good and bad and what brings us joys and understanding how to find contentment in our lives. We also need food for spiritual health. Foods like yoga, meditation, going to temple, church or mosque, or even prayers. So it seems BMS, body, mind and soul are interlinked and connected each other, and it is important and crucial for us to aware of this and maintain a well-balanced well-being. Yoga is the artwork of awareness on the canvas of body, mind, and soul. Hope this gives you a very briefly insight of BMS, that is body, mind, and soul. Thank you, and back to the Toastmaster of the day.